Hello everyone, welcome to any other Shopify tutorial. In this video, I will show you best Shopify AI tools and apps for your e-commerce store. Now first up on this list is called ZipChat. Now this is AI chatbot. As you can see, you can track your sales. It has 95 plus languages and you can train your chatbot to talk in a way that you want to your customer. Now as you can see, it interacts with customer during their entire shopping experience. You can train your AI to get even more accurate answers. You can track conversation to identify who converted after interacting with your chatbot. And then you can also have 5 minutes setup. No technical skill required and ready to use in just a few clicks. This is available in 95 plus languages. That means that your AI chatbot can be trained in 95 different languages. Now obviously this comes at a price. You have a free pricing and then you have 49 a month. Then you can see here is a 30 replies a month. Here you can have 500 replies a month. So if you are just starting out, this is a just great app for you. For a chatbot or support, both are, especially if you don't have any employees, right now at the start, so that it is the first app on this list. Second app on this list is called Ad Eagle. Now this app is basically created to easily create targeted ad campaign. So Ad Eagle lets you easily target users interested in your products with your personalized marketing campaigns. Customers looking to buy something usually research blogs, forums, watch product videos, right? But when they are ready to buy, they are browsing other shops similar to yours. So with that Eagle, you can display ads exactly in these places. So these people can go to your store and purchase from you. As you can see, you can easily target by product categories, user interest and location. You can analyze the performance of your ads with relevant dashboards and visualization. You can set up once you let your ads run on autopilot. It's easy to set up, no code required. Anyone who is not tech savvy can do this also. As you can see, it has a free option. So if you are just starting out and if you want to, try out the ads and everything like that, I make sure to use this ad or this app because it is a great app to easily create a targeted ad campaign, especially for beginners. Now number 3 on this list is called Product Description ChatGPT AI. As you can see from the name of this app, you have free plan available. But this is basically to improve SEO and sell more stuff with delightful product description. Now this is a generative from ChatGPT AI itself. You can see that you can write almost anything including product description, meta description and more. You can also generate description for 1,000 products in one click, which is insane, right? If you have, for example, 50 products, 100 products, 200 products, you can generate description for those products. Also, you can get to the top of the Google with their SEO toolkit. So you will also have an SEO toolkit as well. Now this comes with a free plan which has 100 tokens per month. And then you have a basic plan which is a $30 a month. As you can see, overall 5 stars. It is a really free plugin or a fresh app. So you can check it out. Now number 4 on this list is called AI search filter. I recommend, so this is if you want to have AI power search bar, search suggestion, typo tolerance, AI synonym, top words, stuff like that. Right? You have a various recommendation settings as well as for your for your customer to browse and filter through different kinds of products. I also have a visual merchandising tool with pin boost emote and hide product strategy. You have customer filter 3 with unlimited filter option. Have a bunch of different filter options such as tag, meta, field variant, and then you have an insightful analytics with details collection filter. Basically, as you can see, it creates the effortless shopping experience on your store with AI. That's what it does. As you can see, it is a 19 a month. Also, you have a free, which is a development mode. But this comes with the price at $90 a month if you want to just try out it. Unfortunately, they don't have, I don't think they have they actually have a 14-day free trial. So you can try out and I think it's a great plugin, especially if you want, a better shopping experience for your customer. Now last plugin on this list is called Model AI Model. Now this plugin is actually game changer. So as you can see, you can stop using same model photos from your supplier that all other dropshipper and store use. So you can use one of the model, which is an app that lets you basically diversify your store by changing clothing model images for new audience. So you can change photos based on the age, ethnicity, gender, facial expression, and more. You can also easily switch back to the original photo if needed, which is a great. And then you can use model photo in product pages, email ads, socials, and everyone. Also, there is a no limit to generating model photos and image editing. As you can see, I think this is actually a completely free app. This is a completely free app that you can use. This is how it looks like in there. There, as you can see, you can pretty much change it. Your AI photo, as you can see, a pretty damn impressive if you ask me. But these are very known top 5 AI tools, best Shopify tools for your e-commerce store. If you want more videos just like this, comment down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will see you guys in my next video.